Hello children, welcome to Guru Gobind Singh Foundations, Guru Gobind Singh Public School and Junior College. Children, today we are going to learn subject history for standard 7th. Lesson number 5, the foundation of the Swaraj. Children, we are going to learn this lesson today. Children, learning outcomes of the lesson will be analyze the different historical events in the Adil Shahi and Nizam Shahi period. Become aware that the associates of Shivaji Maharaj were ready to offer their lives for him. And the last one is to understand the meaning of royal seal, which we said as a Rajamudra. Dear student, here are the topics which we are going to conduct today. They are, first we will see the introduction of the lesson, then we will learn about Shahaji Raje, Veer Mata Jizabai, we will see the Shivaji's companion and associates, and we will learn about royal seal Rajamudra.
An epic-making personality emerged in Maharashtra, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. He established Swaraj by challenging the unjust ruling powers here. Shivaji Maharaj was born at the Shivneri fort near Junnar in Pune district on the day of Falgun Vidya Tritiya in the Shaka year 1551, that is, on 19th February 1630. In this chapter, we will study how he founded Swaraj. Shahaji Raje. Shahaji Raje, the father of Shivaji Maharaj, was a preeminent Sardar in the Deccan. The Mughals had launched a campaign to conquer the Nizam Shahi kingdom. The Adil Shah of Bijapur allied with the Mughals in this campaign. Shahaji Maharaj did not wish the Mughals to get an entry into the south. So, he tried to save Nizam Shahi by offering stiff resistance to the Mughals. But he could not withstand the combined might of the Mughals and the Adil Shah. The Nizam Shahi was defeated and came to an end in 1636 CE. After the Nizam Shahi was wiped out, Shahaji Raje became a Sardar of the Adil Shah of Bijapur. The region comprising Pune, Supe, Indapur and Chakan Parganas, located between the Bhima and Neera rivers, was vested in Shahaji Raje as a Jagir. This was continued by the Adil Shah, and he also granted the Jagir of Bengaluru and the neighbouring areas in Karnataka to Shahaji Raje. Do you know? Jahagir or Jagir means the right to enjoy the revenue of a region. The Sardars in the service of rulers used to get the revenue of the region as income instead of getting salaries directly. The region was chosen in such a way that the revenue would be equal to the salary. Shahaji Raje was valiant, courageous, intelligent, and a great political expert. He was an excellent archer. He was also an expert in using the sword, patta, and spear. He loved his subjects. He had won many regions in Maharashtra, Karnataka, and Tamil Nadu. South India was in awe of him. While Shivaji and Jijabai were at Bengaluru, he had arranged for providing excellent education to Shivaji so as to enable him to become a king. He himself aspired to establish Swaraj by ousting the powers of foreign people. That is why he is known as Swaraj Visionary. He sent Shivaji and Jijabai from Bengaluru to Pune with loyal and competent associates. Veer Mata Jijabai. Jijabai was the daughter of the great Sardar Lakhuji Raje Jadhav of Sindhker Raja in Buldhana district. At a young age, she had received military training as well as education in various subjects. She helped and encouraged Shahaji Maharaj to realize his dream of establishing Swaraj. She was a competent and visionary political expert. She constantly guided Shivaji in the mission of establishing Swaraj. At times, she undertook the task of giving verdicts for resolving the problems of people. She was very particular about giving excellent education to Shivaji. She instilled in him values like modesty, truthfulness, oratory, vigilance, courage, and fearlessness. She saw that he was trained in the usage of weapons and inspired in him the will to win and the dream of Swaraj. Shivaji's companions and associates. Shivaji Maharaj started the work of founding the Swaraj in the Mawal region. The Mawal terrain is full of hills and valleys and is not easily accessible. Shivaji Raje made use of these geographical features of Mawal very skillfully for the purpose of the foundation of the Swaraj. He created a feeling of trust and affection in the minds of the people. Many companions and associates joined him in his work of founding the Swaraj. Among them were Yesaji Kank, Baji Pasalkar, Bapuji Mudgal, Narhekar Deshpande brothers, Kavji Kondhalkar, Jiva Mahala, Tanaji Malusare, Kanhoji Jedhe, Baji Prabhu Deshpande, and Dadaji Narasprabhu Deshpande. On the strength of these associates, Shivaji Maharaj undertook the cause of the Swaraj. Always remember: Bara Mawad. 1. Pavan Mawal. 2. Hirdas Mawal. 3. Gunjan Mawal. 4. Paud Valley. 5. Muthi Valley. 6. Mose Valley. 7. Kanand Valley. 8. Velwand Valley. 9. Rohid Valley. 10. Andar Mawal. 11. Nane Mawal. 12. Korbarse Mawal. Mawal Valley in the Sahyadris was a region in the Pune Jagir of Shivaji Maharaj. It is also known as Bara Mawad. Do this. Find more information about these associates of Shivaji Maharaj. Jiva Mahala, Tanaji Malusare, and Baji Prabhu Deshpande. Royal Seal or Raj Mudra. The objective of Shivaji Maharaj of establishing Swaraj is clearly expressed in his royal seal. The following Sanskrit lines are inscribed on this royal seal, that means the Raj Mudra. Pratipa Chandra Lekhev, Vardishnur Vishwavandita, Shah Sunoha, Shivasesha, Mudra Bhadraya Rajate. Meaning, this seal will grow in splendor like the new moon. This seal of Shivaji, the son of Shahaji, receiving homage from the whole world, denotes the welfare of the people. The meaning of this inscription on the seal is important from many angles. Through this inscription, Maharaj has expressed his gratitude towards his father, his confidence that Swaraj would expand continuously, his own experience of the respect that the seal, that is, Swaraj, commanded from all, his commitment to the welfare of his subjects, and the certainty of ruling over his land independently. This short inscription covers the entire
Yeah, children, here is a quick recap what we learned today. We learned about Shahaji Raje, Veer Mata Jizabai, Shivaji Maharaj, his companions and associates, and about the royal sale. Dear children, here is an assignment. You will write this in your classwork notebook. From the page number 23, question, find the odd man out and write about in your words. Dear children, I hope that you have understood the topic, and if you have any queries, let me know about it. Thank you very much.